AG Dolls Life 14. So I was just out there in the rain, as you can tell with my hair. And I said, oh, well, I'll go check the mail. And when I did, I saw this package, and I was like, what is it? Who's it for, I mean? And it said my name, and it says it's from American Girl. I can't believe they already sent it that fast. So this is, I believe, yeah, it probably is McKenna's practice wardrobe. So, yep, it is. Yes, it is. So this is the rest of my American Girl doll. Rest of McKenna Star collection. So, oh my god, I've been waiting for this. Oh my gosh. So here's her little leotard. It's so, like, pretty and so, like, really pretty. The pants feel super soft. I thought they'd feel really bad because they're velvety, but no. Here's her sweater. Super duper cute. Here's her gymnastics top. That's cute. It's V-neck. Here are the ponytail holders. There's just 2 teals and 2 purplish. Her ankle brace. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. A hairband. Some elastics. They're purple. And then McKenna's braids and ponies. So thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe. Bye.